Welcome to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to connect your Ubisoft Connect account with Steam in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Open Ubisoft Connect on your PC and log into your Ubisoft account. Step 2. Go to Settings by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner. Step 3. Select the Account Information tab, then choose Linked Accounts. Step 4. Click Connect next to the Steam logo. Step 5. A Steam login window will appear. Enter your Steam credentials and authorize the connection. Step 6. Once connected, your Ubisoft games purchased on Steam will sync with Ubisoft Connect automatically. That's it! Linking Ubisoft Connect with Steam is fast and easy. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more quick gaming tutorials.